All right, here we are, day 3 of the project, fireplace pizza oven build. So, well, this is pretty much what I'm building. Not the seating here on the edges that I'm not doing because the pavilion's really not wide enough for that. But these plans are really nice. Well worth paying for the, I think these plans were like $99. And they basically give you a layout like Lego block instructions for each row. Row 1, row 2, and you just follow along, follow the bouncing ball, and build it step by step. So that's what I've done so far today. I'm not going to work too much today. I had to work the shop until 2. Now the sun's over on this side of the pavilion, so I don't feel like sweltering today. So what I'm doing, I laid out all the blocks so I could get an idea where my edges are going to be, make sure that's all okay before we mortar anything down. So this gap will actually be, this edge will end up being about 1 inch by the time I have my mortar gaps in there. So that is that. Pretty cool. This part here, this is where the fireplace will be. So basically starting right here, this will be seating on the front, and then the fireplace will be right here in the middle with the chimney all the way up past the ceiling. And then this section over here, this will be for wood storage, and then the pizza oven sits right on top right here. So, pretty cool. It's day 3 of the project. I lost all the video from day 2 of the project where I was pouring the pad, but I mean, if you've seen concrete poured, you've seen concrete poured. It's not all that exciting. It was just really, really hot. Ended up being 31 bags of concrete. Not too bad. It was a nice day's workout though, in 90-degree weather. But this is what we got so far. Tomorrow we'll be drilling all the holes for all the rebar here. That's really what I was doing, is laying this out so I can mark where the rebar goes, pull the blocks out, drill the holes. And then put the mortar in, put the block back down. That'll be tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I can get 2 or 3 courses done, I'm thinking. So stay tuned. We'll see. See ya.